Hello everyone, I am practicing spoken English on Fluency. Fluency is such an amazing application, I must say. And you know the best part about this application, that is there are a lot of free features available you can access. Just open this application and scroll down, you will see free learning benefits. Just click that option and you will get 20 minutes of free daily talk time in one-on-one calling with co-learners, and also some free video courses of English grammar, or you can get free daily offering of 10 new words, idioms, phrasal verbs. Apart from that, you can buy membership plan or subscribe this application to talk with the English expert one-on-one in a video call. If you want to purchase any membership plan or if you want to subscribe this application, I have provided the link in the description. Go and download it from my link and use my coupon code INDRA10 to get extra 10% discount on each and every subscription or membership plan. So start using this application and practicing English on Fluency.